buildings. This is beyond the river. The bottom of the bridge is now being rendered and probably a tower. Not sure, para siyang ano eh, para siyang probably somewhere in New York. Naks, New York talaga ano. Okay, yung kabila naman. So, check lang natin. Tingnan nyo lang yung mga lines. The lines were very drawn with confidence. So, walang hesitations. And then also, you will see that there are still markers that are being used para madali natin makuha. Kung mapansin nyo, tinuturo ko yung vanishing point, right? That's the vanishing point. Ibig sabihin, mag-align lang ako ng points known as the 3PA. For the students who doesn't understand 3PA, stay muna kayo dito. Magkakaroon din tayo ng segment na i-discuss ko yan in detail. Okay, for my students ulit in NU Manila and Fairview, shouts to you. Comment naman kayo dyan kung nandito kayo nakikiusyoso kung anong current posts natin. And binabalikan ko yung binabalikan ko dito yung parang illustrations kung paano kumuha ng vanishing lines in excess. The vanishing points are nasa labas nung perspective natin. So, on the left side was the vanishing points na hindi makikita. So, right now, we start